guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss laws of inheritance. So there are three laws of inheritance. The first one, law of dominance. The second one is law of segregation. And the third, that is law of independent assortment. So now we'll pick up each law one by one and see what they actually mean. So first law, that is law of dominance. So if you recall my previous video, you would understand in the F2 generation we were getting two hybrids, right? And we were referring them as tall. Now why tall? Why not dwarf? Now this is what law of dominance is all about, that only one of the characters from one of the parent is expressed in the hybrid, that is from the dominant parent tall, which corresponds to this allele. This is what law of dominance is all about, that only one of the characters overcomes or dominates the other allele of the recessive parent, and that is why the hybrid is tall. But this does not imply for the homozygous recessive daughter, that is small t, which is dwarf. So this is all about law of dominance. Next is law of segregation. Now law of segregation, if you remember the Punnett square again, you will realize that there were small t and capital T which were dominant, and this was recessive parent obviously, and yes, there were hybrid which were tall. Okay, now the law of segregation states that irrespective of whatever the dominant parent is or the recessive parent is, only one of the gamete will be expressed, that is one of the trait will be expressed, which is tall, and not the recessive one. But you can see that both are there, both have 1 alleles here, but only tall will be expressed. There is no mixing between the gametes. This is what law of segregation is all about. Next and the last is law of independent assortment. If you recall my previous video, if you don't, you can follow back, the link will be in the description, is that when there was a cross between two characters taken together, they did not interfere with each other. This is what law of independent assortment is. That is, if it is tall, it will not interfere with a character which is round, or if it is dwarf, it will not interfere with round or wrinkle, whatever. When you take two consideration, that is two traits together, still they will not affect each other. This is what law of independent assortment is.